Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to show you the what is the PUBG graphics settings by default without using any kind of GFX tool in this Mi11X device. As you can see, friends, the Mi11X has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset in the phone. So let's see, friends, what is the default PUBG graphics you can actually play in this phone with this kind of high performance oriented mobile phone. So this is a question which was asked by a lot of users as well. They are really concerned. So what is the PUBG graphics you do get with the default? So is there any 90 FPS option or not? Because the phone has 120 Hz refresh rates, then definitely the phone should be able to support 90 FPS in the PUBG. So right now I did enable the 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can clearly see here, friends. So I have updated the PUBG application to the latest version as well, as you can see. So latest version, the PUBG has been already updated in this mobile phone. So let's see, friends, what will be the PUBG actually default graphics settings, and I'll try to show you the bit of gameplay as well during this time. So let me try to open the PUBG game. So here's a PUBG game, and in case if you want to download this TikTok wallpaper, so you can check the links in description, or you can check out this channel, friends. So in my channel home page you can find this TikTok wallpaper, and there's a separate playlist also created for each and every smartphone and wallpapers particularly. You can check for each and every smartphone as well, in case if you're interested to know. So it is a PUBG game which has been open, as you can see, and as I said, there is no GFX tool application installed in my mobile phone. So let me to go to the settings and show you the graphics. As you can see, friends, unfortunately there is no 90 FPS option. There is no 90 FPS option. There is only smooth and extreme option at the moment. So maybe in the future, the PUBG might get an update. So balanced plays extreme, HD plays extreme, HDR plays extreme as well. You can play without using any GFX tool. So this is what I need, friends, all. So I need to be able to play with the HDR plus extreme settings. So usually in other smartphones, the HDR plus ultra will be enabled. So extreme we might be seeing only in the few smartphones, but if the phone is very powerful enough, only then the HDR plus extreme option will be visible. So HDR and extreme is absolutely available in this phone. So next, ultra HD. So ultra HD and the ultra is available, as you can see, ultra HD and ultra. So these are the basic normal default graphic settings in this phone without using any kind of GFX tool. So no GFX tools has been used during this process of demonstration. So HDR and extreme is selected. Let me need to quickly start the match, where you can focus on the real-time statistics on the top as well. On the top you can see, friends, the real-time FPS meter, which I am getting about 50-60. So let me just check the temperature readings. Temperature is about 40 degrees right now. So these are HDR and extreme settings I am trying to use in this phone at the moment. And overall it was really good playing in this phone, friends, no problem at all. So even the phone has got really good dual speaker setup, so which will give you the very good sound effects. So real time I'm getting about 60 FPS at the moment, 61, and the CPU and the GPU utilization, if you have noticed, it was under 25% at the moment of starting the game. So maybe once you start playing the game and after some time, the CPU and the GPU percentage might increase. So that is where you need to focus on currently. So make sure to subscribe and also do support me, friends, because it takes a lot of time and effort in making this many videos in a very short time as possible for you all. So you can see the real-time statistics right now when I'm trying to jump. So 60 FPS, 61 FPS. The GPU has been increased to 25%, and the CPU is remaining about 19 and 18%, 22. The GPU increased to 29 from 25, so 30, as you can see, 30 and 32. So maybe once you start playing the game, the percentage might increase later on. So temperature from 40 degrees, right now it is still 40 degrees, only 42 degrees, 42, 40. So overall 42.8 I did see here. So 42.8 degrees I have seen. As you can see friends, there is no lag. So in another video I'll try to test the gyroscope sensor test as well. So how is the gyroscope sensor is working in this phone. So in case if you're interested to know, definitely I'll do my best to cover all those videos as soon as possible in very short time of duration. So let me try to quickly run and show you the real-time CPU and the GPU percentage, how much currently it is. So it's about 28 or 27% and 18%. 60 FPS is consistently maintaining throughout the time, so no issues with the FPS. And the GPU and the CPU percentage, you can clearly see they are not going about 30% at the moment. So right now I did not see any time above 30%. So the maximum I did see about only 29%. It's very good. The processor of the Snapdragon 870 is keeping utilization, as you can see here, which is really good. So by using HDR and extreme settings in other smartphones, the CPU and the GPU, they will utilize a lot. So I'll try to do that kind of comparison. So very soon I'll try to do that comparison very soon. So right now the temperature 43 degrees, 43.6 degrees. So 43.4, so 43 degrees it got increased. So that is the one thing which I noticed. The phone tends to heat slightly higher than the normal other phones. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly, and don't forget to check the links in description for videos of each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. Even for the live wallpaper, you can check that video which is available in my channel homepage. And see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.